Hello, friends. Happy Sunday. I hope it's sunny wherever you are. I wanted to use today's educational tip to tap into some de-stressing and some tranquility. So we're going to talk about the benefits of deep breathing. First of all, deep breathing is also called diaphragmatic breathing, and it occurs when we really activate our diaphragm in order to create breath and exchange air rather than our accessory muscles where we breathe shallow. So as we activate our diaphragm, our ribs expand. You can feel the movement in your rib cage. And what this does is it activates our parasympathetic nervous system. Our parasympathetic nervous system is what we call the resting and digesting nervous system. And so it calms us down. It brings us to a place where we're not anxious or on the go. And thus the effects of diaphragmatic breathing are reduced blood pressure, can reduce our heart rate, reduce stress. We actually see a change in cortisol levels. And can also help us bring us to the present moment. So a lot of health benefits to some deep breathing, especially if we practice it once a day for about 5 minutes. We can see some consistent health benefits in our cardiovascular system. So I'm going to challenge you today to practice some deep breathing with me for us to enter into this space where we can be mindful and be present in the space that we're in, and to reduce our anxiety by activating things that we have in our own bodies during this potentially stressful time. This can also be very helpful for the people around you if you are around people, because we're experiencing all kinds of emotions right now and you might be taking it out on people and not knowing it. So we're just going to practice some deep breathing today, or we can call it diaphragmatic breathing. And how do you do this? You want to think of, as you breathe in deeply, you want to think of expanding the pressure in your belly. You should feel your belly push out as you expand your ribs. As you breathe out, it should go down, and you can feel your belly pull back inward and your ribs come down. So we're going to practice this together. So we're going to take a deep breath in. You can pause at the top if you want, and breathe out. So a lot of times I'll put my hand on my stomach just to feel the movement and be present in the moment. As practicing mindfulness is feeling our surroundings, feeling the breath in our lungs, as feel our ribs move, feel our stomach move with our hand. So let's practice this mindfulness sensations together. Place your hand on your stomach and breathe in. Feel your belly expand into your hand. Pause and breathe out. And you feel that belly come back down. Let's do that again. And breathe in. Expand those ribs. Push that belly out. Pause. And breathe out and feel that belly come back in towards your spine. I'm going to do it one more time. Breathe in. Pause. And out. And you want to do this nice and slow, and right then and there you just activated your parasympathetic nervous system. You set a number of things in motion to help you be present in the moment, to de-stress and help those around you. So I challenge you to practice that for your own health benefit, and utilize that as a way to help manage your anxiety during this time. But also if you're experiencing painful conditions or things that are causing pain, deep breathing is a really effective way to help manage your symptoms and help reduce your pain yourself. Very effective tool that you can use at any time. And I think it's so important that we acknowledge the power of our bodies to heal itself and to manage a number of things that we're going through. Cheers.